Hello, 1. Hello, 10.
Hello, 100.
Sit, sit. 1's place, 10's place, 100's place.
Look, Teddy. So many stars. There must be 100 of them.
Oh, there are many more than that.
More than 100. But you're the biggest number I know. You can always make a bigger number by adding 1.
And how would that look? Think big. This is a good night for big thoughts.
I love thinking about numbers. Look, 100. If I join up with you, we'll be
101.
And we can keep adding 1.
102. 103.
Or we can add 10s.
110. 120. 130.
And if we can add 1s and 10s, we can add
Hundreds.
100.
200.
300.
We could make
999.
Wow! That's the biggest number I can think of. But there must be bigger numbers because we can always add more blocks. So what's bigger than 999?
Think about it this way. Let's start with you, 1. 1 block. Now 10 of you. 10 1s. What's that?
10.
Now let's have 10 10s. What's that?
100.
Now
10 hundreds. What's that? 1,000. You look like a giant me. I'm 1,000 ones. Wow. I can't wait to meet you. Good night, little one. Good night, 1,000. There are so many big thoughts buzzing in my head, I'll never get to sleep. 10 hundreds are 1,000. And that's not even the biggest number. One dream. Hello, dream. 10 ones are 10. 10 tens are 100. 10 hundreds are 1,000. 10 lots of 1,000 are
10,000.
10 lots of 10,000 are
100,000!
and 10 lots of 100,000 are
1,000,000!
Hello!
Hello, little one.
Wow! I never knew there was a number so big!
And you can always make a number that's bigger. 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 Bigger.
1 teddy, 1 moon, 1,000,000 stars, and more. I can think of bigger and bigger numbers because numbers go on forever and ever.
You can count on us with the Numberblocks.
We've had such a lot of big adventures, and everyone has played their part. Now it's time to take your turn. You'll be happy to learn. This is not the end, it's the start. There's so much more to explore. You can take a look, now we've opened the door. When we ran out of fingers, we counted our toes. How high can we go to?
Who knows?
If you start with a number for fun,
Ha-ha! Yeah!
you can make it bigger if you just add one. You can do it yourself, now you know how it's done. Take the floor, there's so much more to explore.
There's so much more to explore. You can add it up.
As you've done it before. When we all get together, we make a new friend.
There's gonna be magic, no end.
It's a plus, you've got us on your side. Soon you'll find your fortunes will be multiplied.
You've got all of the tools, it's up to you to decide what they're for.
There's so much more to explore. Numbers are everywhere, everywhere you look. You'll find some of us on a clock, on a bus, on the pages of a book.
There's so much more to explore. Many other squares you've not noticed before. When you know that a square is as wide as it's tall, we can make new ones. Good call!
6 by 6 is the next one in line. 36.
7 tall by 7 wide is 49.
And I bet you can guess the very next one is mine. Watch me draw. Off the block, draw.
There's so much more to explore.
64.
There's so much more to explore. Polka dots, potato prints, and patterns galore. So pop on an apron and brush up your art.
Painting by numbers. Good start.
There are so many patterns to spot. Take it step by step and you can learn a lot. You can shout on the rooftops.
Now give it a shot.
Tell me more.
There's so much more to explore. Numbers are infinite. Numbers never end.
Keep on and you'll find that they stick in your mind and will always be your friend. Your friend.
There's so much more to explore. You'll be in the know when you know what's in store. You can count to 100 by taking it slow. Count to 1,000,000.
1, 2.
Let's go! Stick with us, put it all to the test. Put 2 and 2 together and you'll get the rest.
You'll be better at sums than your chums would have guessed, that's for sure. There's so much more to explore.
There's so much more to explore. Like 97,104. Can you think of a number that you never met? Do they go on forever? You bet!
There are all kinds of questions to try. Tell us on the jump, we're gonna say how high and how big of a portion is my piece of the pie.
My oh my, don't be shy. Pick up a pencil and give it a try. We gave you a start so you know what to do. You've seen how it works, now it's over to you. So much to discover, so much to seek out. Zeros and heroes to learn all about. With puzzles and patterns and pictures to pick. You won't miss a moment, you won't miss a trick. Think of a number and you can be quick on the draw. For there's so much more to explore.
Your turn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number blocks. 1 and another one is 2 and another one is
Me!
That's 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for some number fun. You can count on us with the number blocks.